How to remove your Google account from computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove Google account from computer. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google Chrome in your device and there you can see you are logged into your account. Now to remove your account, navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner and there you will see your account. If you're logged in with multiple accounts, in order to remove your account, first of all you have to sign out of all of your account. So unfortunately, once you click on sign out of all account, you will be signed out of all of the account that you're logged into Google. So here click on sign out of all account and with that you are signed out. Click on the sign in at the top right corner and now there you have all of your account. From here there is an option as remove an account. Click on it. Now select the account that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove this first account. Then you have to click on this icon next to that account with the color red and with the sign minus. Click on it and with that now your account is removed. After that, if you want to log in into some other account here, you can simply log in using your login credential. So that's how you can remove your account on Google in your laptop or your PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.